Hello and welcome to the last ever video filmed on this camera. For the last couple of years I've been using a Canon 600D. It's I'm pretty sure you know what camera it is. I'll put the picture of it on screen now. As you can tell from the title of this video, this is an unboxing video. I am now updating to this camera. This is the Panasonic HC-VX870. So let me rearrange the camera and let's get on with this unboxing. Okay, so here's the box. It comes with a picture on the front, information on the side, bit of information on the back, and that's pretty much it with the box. Here it tells us that we have a remote pan tilt cradle, so you can sit the camera on the pad and it rotates and tracks your thing. A light or a flash, an LED video light. You also have a microphone that we can get, a conversion lens, a bag and battery packs for charging. Okay, let's get to the unboxing part. We have a little flip here, comes open there, and then we lift it up here. We then go into the box. We have the main camera. I shall come back to that. Here we have the cover, the glare cover. So we have the sun glare cover. This goes over the camera. We then have an instruction booklet, bit of cardboard. We then have cables, USB. Okay, so the next thing out of the box we have another cable. I think that's for the charger. It's got that sort of attachment. Next out the box we have another cable. I think that's for the charger. That goes into the camera and then into the plug. We then have the plug. The USB goes in onto the side, on this side here. I've never seen one like that. I've always seen plugs that way or that way, but that's going to be going that way with the device on the side that plugs it into the side. We then have the battery. We then have the hot shoe that clips onto the back. Okay, so let me get the box out of the way and we'll have a look at the camera. Okay, so the camera comes wrapped in bubble wrap. And a cloth. And then we have the nice camcorder. I think it's a professional one. You can add things to it to make it. Obviously the bits on the box. The battery clips onto the back. We have a nice big screen area that also turns around like most camcorders, so you can vlog on this. Yeah, it's really a good camera. SD card goes in the bottom, just there. Battery release. And yeah, I'm going to get this charged up, and then we'll have a look at the quality of the picture and the sound. Just before I put it on charge, I shall show you how you connect the sun glare to the camera. So it sort of pushes on, and then here we have a locking bit that turns. And you just twist it, he says. Okay, so I think it's now on to the camera. It does keep turning, so I don't know if it comes to a stop, but I'm going to stop there just so I don't break it. But then it does give the camera a bit of extra length, and it should stop the glare from the sun going to the lens, so you can film more outside in bright light. Okay, I'm going to charge it up and we'll have a look at the quality of the picture and the sound. Okay, so I'm now on the new camera and it looks pretty cool. Yeah, this is being recorded with the inbuilt microphone. I'll do a clip at the end with my Rode mic connected. Hopefully that all works congruent with the camera. Yeah, so I'm now going to do a little musical interlude around my garden. This is filmed during lockdown, so I can't go out and film at any country parks or anything. That's all out of bounds. So we're going to do a little musical interlude just to see the quality of the picture. And this little bit is to test the quality of the sound with the inbuilt microphone, although I will be plugging in my mic when filming for my YouTube channel. Okay, so we're back at the desk, and I've now got the camera connected back up with the microphone and the light and all my little bits connected to it. Let me know what you think to the sound with the mic or the built-in mic. Which do you think is best? Let me know, and then I can either film with or without the mic, or get the mic that is specified here on this camera. But yeah, this is my unboxing and short demo from my new camera, the Panasonic HC-VX870. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think to the camera, and I shall see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.